emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Also bringing things over from past incarnations. I do believe that's definitely an afternoon as well, because I started studying astrology. I was born up around 14, and I'm in my 60s now.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
It really also just enhanced the gifts that she already had. I think sometimes we need just a little jolt. Take it to the next level for some reason. I don't know why that happens, but it does happen quite often. I'm just glad to hear that you weren't more seriously hurt there.
Is energy healing simply mind over matter?
In a sense, yes. You know, bringing, like we talked about earlier, we're all in a great stressful situation. So can we get out of that for a minute and just concentrate on bringing energy in and just creating a sense of peace in the body despite the chaos around us? And that's definitely a mind over matter thing.
Is it intention?
It's all intention, yes.
Timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system. Some hopeful things you'll ever hear.
Things are bad now.
Well, that was San Francisco's monthly test. I'm monitoring Sacramento area's monthly next. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye now.